So in your breadcrumbs, you want to add seasoned salt. And if you would like, you could add some paprika or some taco seasoning, chili powder, anything like that. Okay, so now these are super thick chicken breasts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and cut them in half just so they don't take so long to cook. Then what you're going to do is generously coat your chicken with oil. I don't put the oil in a pan. I just sprinkle a little on and then I just twist all the chicken around and get it well coated. Some people will fill their bowl with oil and then dip it all in and then you have all this oil wasted. But see, this way you have very little waste. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken and you're going to dip it in your breadcrumbs just like so. Put it in your air fryer. Then we're going to fry this for 7 minutes. Turn it over, fry it for 3 to 4 more minutes. If you're wondering if the chicken is totally done, take the thickest piece of chicken and run a thermometer, and it should be at least 165.